Okay, we're gonna do something really cool now. We're gonna take this correlation and put it on the graph. How do we do that? You want, something called plt.text. So do it before you save it, plt.text, and that's how you can add text to your graph. Now I went ahead and pulled up the documentation for you. So this plt.text, you can see that the standard information you need is an x coordinate, a y coordinate, and it shows you down here this s is the string, which is the text that you want. Additionally, okay, it has a lot of options so that you can really make the text exactly how you want it. A lot of different font options. Okay, so coming back here, you got to think about where you're going to put it. Now, you could put it in a lot of places. I think, so the correlation is actually a lot of decimal places, but we can round it, and it may work to put it up here. It'd be kind of nice to put it closer to the top. But there's also a lot of space in the bottom. There's not really right or wrong. I'm going to try to say x equals 12, y is 400,000. Okay? So I put in 12, 400, 1, 2, 3. And now I want to put the string in that I want, which is right here. It's this f string. So I'm actually going to copy the whole f string. And we're actually going to round it, okay? And so to round this, you want to get inside of the variable, okay? And you can round it. You want to round that number, the correlation. And so you can put comma, it's the total number of decimals that you would like. I don't know, I think it's nice to have more than a couple. Something like 4 is good. Okay, and I'm also going to comment out the print because that becomes redundant. Okay, so let's see how that looks. Press Shift Enter. Now it runs a new, sample every time you run it. And you can see it looks pretty good. You can move it over maybe a little bit more to the left so it's not too bad, maybe like closer to 11.7. And you can put a white background on it. That's sort of the number one thing. The one thing I like to add. So you can put background color. So it'll look better with a white background. Put any color you want. I'm going to go with white. And I'm going to move this a little bit. So something like 11.75. 11.7 is fine. Okay, so try that again. It's always good to test things out, make some adjustments. And I think that's pretty solid. It looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and check it. I'm going to download it here and look at the visual. Yeah, and as you can see, it's really nice because it's clean, but like more importantly, it adds significant information, right? Like that's a stronger correlation, I think, than expected.